Hello everyone. We are from Team NSS and we all are here to aware you about depression. So first we talk about what is depression. Depression is a major depressive disorder. It is a serious and common illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think and how you act. It causes a feeling like loss of interest in activities you once enjoyed. Fortunately, it is treatable. There are many factors that can play a role in depression. The major factors are: first one is biochemistry. Differences in certain chemicals in brain may contribute to the symptoms of depression. The second one is genetics. Depression can run in families. For example, if one identical twin has a depression, the other has 70% chances of having the illness sometime in their life. The third one is personality. People with self-esteem who are easily overwhelmed by stress appears to be more likely to experience depression. The fourth one is environmental factors. Continuous exposure to violence, abuse, neglect, or poverty may make some people vulnerable to depression. According to survey, 14% of 15 to 24 years old people in India, 1 in 7 reported often feeling depressed or having a little interest in doing things.
Now, we will talk about signs and symptoms of depression. First sign of depression is neglecting friends and hobbies. This means person stops talking with their friend and start neglecting their activities of interest. It is one of the most common symptoms of depression. Next is change in sleep pattern. Our sleep pattern is very much important for our mental health. Often changes in sleep pattern is the important sign that show person is suffering from depression. Next is change in appetite. The thing that depression can influence is our appetite. Some people with depression find their appetite is much lower, feeling unable to eat. On the other hand, some people with depression have an increased appetite and may turn to food to comfort it. Next is low self-esteem. Depression can make you see only negative things about yourself and downplay your achievements. This is the serious symptom of depression as it can lead to people feeling worthless. Next is decrease in hygiene. One way the lack of energy from depression can manifest is the decrease in someone's hygiene. Often those with depression struggle to shower, clean the teeth or other self-grooming habits due to fatigue and lack of motivation to complete tasks.
There are several techniques and treatments for the depression. One of them is medication, prescription, and antidepressant. These are the most common technique in medication. Antidepressant works by balancing a chemical in your brain called neurotransmitter that affects on mood and emotions. Serotonin and norepinephrine. These are mainly neurotransmitters that directly affects on mood. SSRIs and SNRIs. These two are most effective for people who suffering from depression. It affects people to begin feel effects after 2 or 4 weeks of medication. SSRIs and SNRIs. These are not addictive and do not produce more side effects. It improves your concentration and it makes your sleep better. There is another technique is psychotherapy. Psychotherapy is a process to treating a psychological disorder with verbal and psychological techniques. There are so many psychotherapies like cognitive therapies, behavioral therapies, cognitive behavioral therapies, dialectic behavioral therapies that can help people to get out from the depression. The psychotherapy is more effective techniques for depression.
However, the best solution is to have support from loved ones to help alleviate feelings of depression. For example, having a sit down and talk with family members to discuss the practical solution of ongoing problems that can reduce symptoms of depression. Another solution is that all colleges and schools should have facility at their campuses to help students deal with depression. It includes wellness centers where students can able to talk to counselors, receive advice and join therapeutic groups with individuals experiencing similar problems. Unfortunately, in this time and age, there is still stigmatization associated with depression. However, both education and spreading awareness are key to ending the stigma that occurs in society. This negative stereotype of disgrace or discredit toward individuals experiencing mental illness sets them apart from others. Not only does it hurt the feelings of individual experiencing depression, but it also causes them to feel like they are not good enough. This must stop. Our goal is to put an end to stigmatization and to create a comfortable environment for everyone by coming together and understanding that the depression is common and perfectly acceptable in our society. Thank you.